In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages from the navigation bar in your Weebly site. This is a great way to keep your navigation clean and focused, especially if you have pages that are under construction or meant for specific audiences. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll need to access your Weebly site's editor. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options at the top of the page. Among these, you'll see an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on this. It's your gateway to managing all the pages on your site. Now, on the left panel of your screen, you'll see a list of all the pages that exist on your website. This is where you can get an overview of how your site is structured and what appears where. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this list if you're not already acquainted with it. From this list, identify the page that you wish to hide from the navigation bar. Maybe it's a page that you're still working on, or perhaps it's a page intended for a specific audience that doesn't need to be highlighted. Whatever the reason, click on this page to access its settings. Once you've clicked on the page you're interested in, you'll be presented with various options. What you want to focus on is the option that allows you to hide in navigation. Look for a checkbox or toggle that corresponds to this setting. Take a moment to ensure you've found the right option. When you're sure, go ahead and check this box. This action tells Weebly that you'd like to keep the page available on your site, but hidden from the navigation bar. It's like tucking it away, out of plain sight, while keeping it alive and accessible for those who need it. And there you have it. By checking that one simple box, you've successfully hidden a page from your navigation bar. Remember, this action won't delete the page or make it inaccessible. It simply makes your navigation cleaner and helps your visitors focus on the key pages you want them to see. It's as straightforward as that. Hiding a page from the navigation bar can be an effective tool for managing your site's visibility and aiding in focusing the user journey on what truly matters. Now, you can go ahead and hide any other pages you feel need a similar treatment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you liked it, feel free to explore other tutorials to enhance your website's functionality and design.